Deere Lawn Care family, this is Darian, Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care, coming to you all the way from Conyers, Georgia. We're about to do a nice petite mulch job, something I can easily be able to show you pretty much, hopefully from start to finish, because I'm going to be out here assisting. But I might have to just kind of show you snippets. We got some hedges here. We got some monkey grass we need to pull out, and if it gets to the point, we might have to actually pull it. So that's one thing. We're going to put down some pre-emergence. We're going to spray, and we're going to try to get this nice and tidy here. I'm about to flip this around and let you see exactly what we're going to do so you can see the start to finish. About to show you the closeout on this small mulch job that ended up being a big mulch job, because I don't know if you remember all that monkey grass in there. We pulled it by hand because of the resiliency, and it was not a small feat. It took much longer than we quoted, but we learned from that. So we know that when we're dealing with monkey grass and pulling that, we are going to need to triple the time. That's how long it actually took for this small bed. So however I think it would take just to do a regular bed or whatever, that's the time we're going to have to do in order to be able to triple the time, so I can know how much time it would literally take, because that's exactly what we had to do. We had to use shovels and pop the roots and things of that sort. So you didn't get to see the work because we're trying to master the time and make sure we got through the day. But I am going to show you our end result.